Welcome to a college day in my life. I literally think every single time I film an intro, I'm wearing this crew neck. I promise I wash it. It's just like, it's the crew neck I throw on in the morning when it's a little cold. Today's video is just going to be a day in my life. It already started a bit slow. It's 10:30 already, but I actually don't have class until 5 or maybe 4 today. I was supposed to have a 2:30, but it got canceled, which is wonderful. So I get to kind of sleep in, ease into my day, really get a good workout in and not have to worry too much about classes, because I feel like my schedule's all over the place. So some days my classes, I start at 9 and then I get back by like 1 and then I have the whole afternoon. But today it's kind of opposite. I don't start till later, so I have to get everything that I want to get done early, and then I don't have as much time at night. But I'm actually eating breakfast. This is what it looks like. Let me show you what I've been eating for breakfast. This is like one clementine, 1 bagel with peanut butter, and then my vitamins. I've been trying to be better about getting my nutrients in, so I've been taking my vitamins, and then I don't eat enough fruit, so I've been trying to at least eat a little bit of fruit in a day. Honestly, I'm starting to get the ick from this bagel situation. I've eaten it every single day for the past like 3 weeks. Something about me is I'll eat a food until I absolutely hate it, and then I won't touch that food for a really long time. If you ever want to get icked out by a food, just eat it every single day and it'll happen, I promise. But yeah, also I haven't made my bed. There's no pretty intro of me making my bed, opening my blinds today. This is realistic, okay? I'm gonna just take you guys through the day with me. I will make my bed though, because I need to do that. I feel like if my bed's not made, my room's so small that it just looks so messy in here. I posted this today. So I'm gonna start this series on Instagram where I kind of show you guys limited equipment, workouts, like how to do things without the machine for it, because a lot of people have been saying that their gym doesn't have machines, or the machines are always taken, or people work out at home, things like that. So I've been kind of trying to alter my content to serve more helping purposes along with posting normal content. And then on Instagram I also kind of want to post more lifestyle things. I'm like nervous too, because I don't like, obviously people follow me for fitness niche or whatever, but at the same time, like, that's so oversaturated. There's so many people posting workouts. Like, I just want to post whatever I want, and I feel like I went through this phase of like really caring everything that I posted, caring so much about it and feeling like it had to be perfectly curated and all this stuff, and I feel like it sucked the fun out of Instagram for me for such a long time. So I kind of am just thinking, like, at least for this month, I'm just gonna post whatever I want, whenever I want, and see how that makes me feel, because lately I haven't been really liking to go on Instagram or post on Instagram. Like, I just want to make YouTube videos and go to bed.
Hey, can you help me?
What are you doing?
My zipper on my backpack is stuck. I need my strong gym friend.
I got it. Guys, Katie has been bugging about these stupid ads. What are they called?
The new groove flare, like, whatever. This girl was saying that she had to check every single day for 5 months, and they were sold out. And I was like, I've been checking every single day for like 2 weeks, and like it's really taking a toll on like my mental health.
Yes, understandable.
So anyways, I'm being like kind of crazy, and I found them on eBay.
For some backstory, Katie every fucking day for the past 3 weeks, like, we won't be talking about pants, and somehow the Lululemon pants will come up and she'll say, I checked the website, it's all back in stock. They're an investment for life.
They are, but it's time.
Hit the button. This was the day Katie's life changed.
Yeah.
We're gonna update you guys in the next vlog when it comes in. This is my outfit for Starbucks, aka the outfit that I literally wear every single day in another color. Women's Best Comfort Collection. It's so cozy and cute. And then I'm just wearing these UGG slippers because I want to show them to Kirsten. I literally love these. My brother's girlfriend got them for me for Christmas, which is like honestly one of the nicest gifts I've ever received. They're so freaking cute. They're platform, they're pink. We're about to go get Kirsten. It's gonna be a good, nice drive. I'm just gonna run into Hey! Outfit check! Tell us what you're wearing.
Your outfit is so cute.
I'm wearing like a retainer right now, so I can't barely talk. But
I meant, what are you wearing on your body?
I'm wearing UGG slippers. And then I'm wearing Urban Outfitters sweatpants.
I love it. Is that what you got with us?
Brandy.
Period.
Yeah.
Yes. The big decision.
Katie predicts this is gonna taste like a
I think it's gonna be really a bad one.
Just let's find out.
It's not as bad as I thought, but it's not great.
It doesn't look
like,
the right color.
It doesn't. It needs more cream.
It's giving brown.
Like, it needs
You
should have
got the cold foam.
I was being frugal after the pants purchase this morning.
Kirsten, what did you get? Sugar cookie latte?
It's good, but it's been better.
Yeah, it's been better.
Yeah, you guys got the same thing. I went back to my roots today and I got the caramel urban crunch. Honestly, same thing. It could have been better. actually cannot believe that it is February. I just switched my calendar and I'm gonna switch my desktop one too. I love this thing that my mom got me. It's basically just like this desktop calendar. It really fits the space and it also has helped me to really keep track of like due dates and stuff. And then I just edited this whole video for a YouTube video that's coming up soon for First Health Apparel. And then I also just had my leftover steak. It was like steak and potatoes, so I feel nice and full because I'm actually gonna go straight to the gym, and then from the gym I'm gonna go straight to my lab because it's just easier because I'm already gonna be on campus. I'm about to pick my outfit and then I'll show you guys. The fit has been decided. I feel like when in doubt, Whitney Simmons leggings are a staple. It's actually a beautiful day here in Blacksburg. Like, I don't need a coat. I need like a jacket, but I don't need like a coat. So I was like, let me wear some brighter colors today, get the mood up. And then I was thinking, how can I look like Buzz Lightyear today? I was like, in what way, in what color combination could I be Buzz? And this was the one. So I'm wearing this bra and it's the Bandeau training bra. I'm actually obsessed with it. And then for class, don't worry, I'm just gonna wear this over top of it, zip it up. And then I have to wear a lab coat anyway. I am about to leave, but I just wanted to show you guys the outfit on because I'm obsessed. Here we go, training Bandeau. These leggings, y'all, I forgot how much Whitney ate on her volume 2. Honestly, all of the collections. I wish Gymshark would take the hint and just have a pair of leggings like this always on the site in every color possible because I would buy them all. Like, come on, come on. Come on. I've also been loving doing socks over with some shoes. And then I have my Vuray. This is my new gym bag. I'm using this as my gym bag now. It's the Vuray Alana duffel. Inside, this is the upper gear barbell pad because I'm gonna make myself do some hip thrusts today. But I definitely recommend this gym bag, like, because then you can just wear it like this and be on your way. I used to use the Earner duffel, which was amazing, like, don't get me wrong, but it just didn't fit this big ass barbell pad, and so it barely fit like the stuff that I had in it already. So I was like, let me give this one a rest for a little bit, and I'm gonna give this new one a little time to shine. We'll see. They can battle it out later. But yeah, I also have to bring my school bag, which is also this duffel, just in a smaller one. This is the school bag. I guess I'll show you guys a comparison while we're here. This is the Weekender, so it's just bigger. It's not like crazy bigger, but like this one's perfect for like classes, and then this one just fits all of my gym stuff. Like, it has my belt and everything, my tripod, all that jazz. I'm gonna head over to the gym. I haven't been taking pre-workout anymore, so I'm just gonna fill up my Hydro Flask and we're gonna be on our way. I'm out of breath right now, I'm sorry. Oh my god, when I say I did not even realize how little time I was giving myself to work out. My workouts usually take 2 hours, like an hour and a half to 2 hours. I gave myself 40 minutes to work out. Like, I had an hour, but I really only took 40 minutes because I was so stressed about getting here in time. I'm here and I'm gonna eat a granola bar super fast before this lab. And in the lab, to serve as like hair protection so that our hair doesn't get in the way, we have to wear a hat. And like, I don't wear hats, but I just got gifted this one from First Health. So it's kind of coming in clutch. Ow. This is not giving. Oh god. I don't really care though, it's just for a class. It's giving Dan. It's giving Dan from, what's it called? This is like all up in my peripheral. Like, I feel like I can't even focus. When I'm cooking, I'm not even gonna see what I'm working with. I'm gonna be looking straight at the bill. Something about a chewy granola bar really takes me back to 4th grade. So good. I'm so sweaty. I'm disgusting. I'm excited because we're making cookies, but we're making like different kinds of cookies. So we're learning about how fat substitution, so changing the butter to a different kind of fat, like avocado or something like that, how it affects like the overall composition, like what that does to the nutrient density. I love a good cooking class. But yeah, so I'm gonna walk up soon, and I'll also be posting my workout as a reel at some point on my Instagram. So follow me on Instagram at LesBushMegs to see that. I'll update you guys after my lab, and at night it'll probably be dark. Hi besties, how are you guys? So it went like overtime because some of the people didn't get their food out of the oven fast enough, but honestly I really enjoy that class. My group is so funny, and we made avocado cookies. I would call them more like muffin tops, but there were so many left over that I got to take them home, which I'm kind of excited for. Oh, my hair is crazy right now, but overall it was fun. It's literally like home ec. If you took home ec when you were in like high school, it's like the same exact thing, but this was fun because it was like using different nutrient swaps to make things, desserts, a little bit more high nutrient based. Some of the things were really not good. There was like a black bean brownie that I was just like, immediately no, this is not something that I would ever force upon myself. I'm very much a Betty Crocker, Betty Crocker fudge kind of girl. I think I'm gonna have shrimp for dinner. I have like frozen shrimp that I was gonna make from Aldi. Okay, hello, I'm on the floor right now. I forgot my little like tripod holder in my car and I don't want to go get it because it's dark, but I'm laughing because I just got a comment on my Instagram post. Queen Jordy Alexa Fit, I'll put her thing on the screen. She She wants more Abu content, and something about me is when someone wants more Abu content, I'm gonna give it. If you're new here, I got Abu in a Happy Meal with my friends, and my roommate and I turned it into a little game. We have a TikTok about it, actually. I'll pop it on the screen. But we turned it into this little game where we hide him and Simba in each other's rooms, but Katie hid him here, and like I love this ensemble so freaking much. I just like have yet to move them because I absolutely love them there, but I'm gonna hide them back, I think. But I'm actually cooking right now. I'm making shrimp couscous and green beans. I'm basically trying to use up like all the stuff that I have. Like I just have green beans that I needed to cook. I've had this couscous on hand that I wanted to cook, and I've had the shrimp. Also, I got a recommendation to watch Never Have I Ever on Netflix, so I'm gonna start that tonight and we're gonna see if I like it. I'm gonna go check on my food, but I just wanted to update you. I needed to give my special Abu feature for my Queen Geordie. We got couscous, shrimp. I'm gonna eat 2 today, 2 tomorrow, lemons, emergency, and green beans. I'm doing the dishes as I cook, and then I'm gonna clean. Final product, just made a reel as well, so I'll post that and you guys can see that. I literally call this pillow my platter pillow because I use it as a platter for like anything that I'm eating. I love couscous because my roommate showed it to me actually. So when I'm not eating rice, I'm eating couscous. I just forget about it because it's like I put it in the pantry and I just don't see it. I'll probably make cookies before bed too. I've been on like this cookie kick. I've been like obsessed with my Toll House cookies. I went through an obsession with these, and then for a while I just wasn't craving them as much, and now I've been craving them like crazy, and I just have them on deck. So I make myself like 2 or 3 cookies a night just to, you know, deadlifts and dessert. I'm like, guys, free promo. I'm wearing my merch this time. Katie and I have some big plans for our Friday night. So on Fridays I go to the Real Gym because no one's there because everyone's going out and stuff, and I like to film content, and Katie has been itching. She's been curious.
It piqued my interest.
To try the Stairmaster, but obviously the gym is a scary place. So I was like, you can come when I come. And then we got even more ambitious and we decided that I'm gonna do the Stairmaster with her, which that's ambitious. With that, the trade is that she is also gonna go and do a workout with me, and I think we're gonna vlog it. Maybe we'll have to see. Like if it's not going well, we're not. Like if there's too many people and like we'll have to see. So I forgot to film an outro last night, but good thing I did because I had quite an eventful night. So I'm going to bed and I'm on my phone and I can like hear something, and I hear like water dropping, but I have like 2 windows in my room. So as you can see, like I have this window and that window. And so I just figured it was like the rain hitting on the windowsill. So I was like, hey, whatever. But then I was like, let me just look, because basically back in October, literally in October, I woke up and my literal ceiling was open. Like it was just open. I'll pop a picture of what I mean. Like basically water buildup is building up right here. That's the like hole or whatever. That's where it was a hole, and then they repatched it. But the issue is external. Where my room is, there's like a gutter and then there's shingles, and when it rains too much and the gutter overflows, then all of the water backflows over where my desk is. And so I guess like the water at one point just got way too overflown and basically just led to the ceiling not being able to hold the weight anymore, and that's why the water, like I woke up and like my desk was like wet. Mind you, that was literally in October, and they claimed that they check the gutters, clean the gutters, fix the gutters. I don't believe that because I was here in October and I don't recall anyone doing that. And so like a while goes on, and then I go home for winter break. I honestly just don't even think about it anymore. And then I figure like if it snowed over break and nothing happened, then maybe like it was addressed over break, whatever. And then yesterday, when I wake up in the middle of the night, I look down and like there's literal water dropping from my ceiling, and I'm like, what the fuck? I was actually like so mad. Basically last night I had to clear my entire desk, and I had to put all my stuff, like literally everything that was on my desk is over here, and then I literally had to clear this whole area. I have like towels and stuff underneath, and then this junky blanket, and then they came and brought me this bucket as if that's gonna do anything for me. And because of all of this, like I just was so anxious all night that my ceiling was gonna rupture. Anytime I would hear a noise, I would wake up. So I got like, I kid you not, maybe like 4 hours maximum of sleep last night. But I wanted to film the outro and update you guys on that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.